Working out at home without any equipment is easier than you might think. First, let's talk about bodyweight exercises. Push-ups are fantastic for building upper body strength. Start with knee push-ups if you're a beginner, then progress to full push-ups as you get stronger. Next, squats are a great way to tone your legs and glutes. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair. Don't forget about planks. They're perfect for core strength. Hold a plank position for 20 to 30 seconds, and as you get stronger, increase the time. Lunges are another effective move. Step forward with one leg and lower your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Finally, incorporate some cardio with jumping jacks. They get your heart rate up and can be done anywhere. With these 5 exercises, you can create a solid workout routine right in your living room.